I am Laura with New Life Birth Center. I am the Lactation Counselor there, and I'm here today to talk to you about a breast pump that has come to our attention, and we are recommending it. We may even have it at the birth center for some of our clients if they so need it. So it is called the Motif Luna. It has lots of different settings. It's a really cool pump. I'll show it to you here. Here's the front of it. You have the power button. Right there it is. You can hear it starting to go. I'm going to turn it back off here in a second. But you have a massage mode, which is really nice. And you can change it. The massage mode, you can kind of change it up a little bit. It has a night light on it for if you're pumping and it's kind of dark where you're at. I'm going to go ahead and turn it back off. And it comes with everything you need to use it. So it is a double pump, as you can see here on the front. However, you can just do one at a time. And I'm just going to do the one today. But you would just pop this off, and then you could put both hoses in there at one time. Now this is considered a closed loop system, which means you're not going to get moisture back into the tube or back into the machine. So then you have less chance of mold. And obviously we don't want mold in our pumps. So it comes with a bottle to collect in. It comes with the nipple, the top, and the bottle ring, and it has two, one for each side. We're just not going to use those right now. It also has the disc to seal it so you don't have milk leaking from the nipple when you're saving and after you've collected it and you're storing it, and possibly taking this pump to work with you or traveling with it. You also can buy a car adapter for this one. It doesn't come with it, but it's something that you can purchase extra so that you can use it in your car. If you travel a lot with work, you could pump in between your destinations. Stick that in there for right now. Okay, here's the flange. Now I want everybody to remember that just because this is the size flange that comes with your pump, and it doesn't matter what brand of pump you use, that this may not be the right size for you. And you may need to either go up a size or down a size. But having a proper fitting flange is extremely important for successful breastfeeding, for successful pumping of your breast milk. It allows you to collect as much as you can. It allows you not to end up with sore nipples if it doesn't fit right. So this is really, really important. Certainly try the one it comes with, but if not, if this one doesn't quite fit right, then you are going to have to either size up or size down depending on if it's too big or too small. So that's just a really important thing you need to do when you're pumping, to making sure you have a proper flange fit. Alright, so this is the other part. This part here goes on like this. Very simple. And then this piece here is a solid piece that fits over this, and this is where the milk is going to come out. And this just screws onto the bottle like this. We then attach it to the hole here in the front. It's a nice tight fit, which is what you want. Make sure it's on there all the way. Okay. And then we have Bob the Boob with us today as our demonstrator. And Bob is going to go right on here like this. And we're going to turn this baby on. You're going to see, it's going to pull that nipple out. And Bob's a little big for this one, but gives you the idea. You can see how it's going to work and pull that nipple in there. You can also see how this works, where this is what's, isn't that cool? It's also really, really quiet, which is nice. Right now it's on massage mode. It has a timer on it that's running. that is. It's a really quiet pump. We're going to take it off massage mode. And this is on expression mode. Now, with this pump, you can change it up. You can change your cycle. Different cycle settings. And you can change your level of intensity. So then it's not going to pull as much. As you can see, it kind of doesn't, so you can hear it. It's not going to pull out as much, or then you can go up in your intensity. And it's going to pull a little bit more. Now when you're starting off, you can see how the difference is there. On Mr. Bob here, Bob the Boob. But, so that is really nice that you can customize this to what you need. Now, you certainly should never just start cranking it up the first time you use it. You want to start off lower and kind of figure out what it is you need. But again, on the digital display here, it shows you your cycle setting, your intensity setting, and then down here is a time to show you how long you've been pumping. So you can kind of keep track of that. Which is really nice. And then all the milk, of course, goes directly into here. You're not going to have any moisture, or you should not have any moisture in here. But all of this stuff pops apart to clean, which is also amazing. You just take that off with your collected milk. And then this pops off. This here is all one piece except for this piece. This will pop off as well. You can clean it. And then this pops apart. This just pops apart, and you can take this piece off to clean as well. And then it just pops right back on there. And then this pops off, of course, too. So you can clean everything. Ooh, almost dropped it. So you can clean everything really easily. You can boil it if you need to. In between with cleanings and stuff. Also, when you're pumping, carry a Ziploc bag with you. You can put all your pump parts that you were using in that Ziploc bag, stick it in the fridge, and then you don't have to wash it after each pumping session. You can just wash it at the end of the day. It just makes life a lot easier. But this seems to be a really great little pump. It's pretty compact, fairly lightweight for a pump, really quiet, and lots of setting options. It's something that we are recommending at New Life. Retail value for these is around $200. However, most of insurance companies should cover it. I am hearing that these are being given as an option through insurance companies. So again, highly recommended pump. Hope this video helped.